Okay, I got a lot of ideas. How many of you got a lot of ideas? Planning, not production. You're planning rather than producing. We don't spend enough time at my company planning. So this is what happens at our company, okay? And look, we don't do everything right there. Most of the time, this is what happens. I have an idea. Okay, I got a lot of ideas. How many of you got a lot of ideas? Okay, that idea is only as good as you can monetize that idea. Otherwise, it's worth nothing. The faster I can monetize this idea, the better that idea is. How many agree with that? So I go from idea to monetization. We're going to be going over this later today. This is what you do. You go from an idea to planning. I go with an idea, landing page, buy button, put a price on it, not even a picture of a product. So how long is it taking you to go from an idea to monetization? And by the way, how many people are involved? There was 2 people involved. We have 85 people at my company. I didn't involve anybody else. The more people you involved, if you're taking notes, the more people you involved, the longer it is going to take to get to a deliverable product. I don't need more ideas. I need execution. Planning, not production. You're spending time planning, thinking, ideas, buy-in, get everybody's input. I want everybody to feel good about it. Dude, I don't care about any of that. I didn't check with anybody. Okay? I can be wrong on my own. Right? I don't need to spend time and be wrong. Let me just get to wrong as fast as I can.